Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan barbecue sauce. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need a good quality ketchup as your base, along with apple cider vinegar for that essential tang. For sweetness, maple syrup or brown sugar works wonderfully. Don't forget your spices. Smoked paprika, garlic powder, and a pinch of cayenne will bring the heat and depth you crave. This simple combination forms the foundation of a truly delicious sauce. Once your ingredients are ready, combine everything in a saucepan. Place it over medium heat and stir well to ensure all the spices are fully incorporated. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, watching carefully to prevent it from boiling too vigorously. Then, reduce the heat to low and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. This simmering time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, creating a rich and complex sauce. After simmering, it's time to taste and adjust. This is your chance to make it perfect. Add a little more salt, sweetness, or even a dash of cayenne if you like more heat. For an authentic barbecue flavor, a splash of liquid smoke can make a big difference. Once you're happy with the taste, remove the sauce from the heat and let it cool completely. This step is crucial before transferring it to an airtight jar for storage. Now that your delicious vegan barbecue sauce is ready, the possibilities are endless. It's fantastic with grilled vegetables, baked tofu, or even as a dipping sauce for sweet potato fries. You can also use it as a flavorful marinade for your favorite plant-based proteins before grilling or baking. This homemade sauce truly elevates any meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.